It's day 225. Love of the Mother Bird. One day, when our beloved prophet was giving a lecture to his followers, one of them saw a bird in the distance. In the bird's nest, there was a cute little baby bird. The companion went over and picked up the little bird. When the mother bird saw this, she flew in circles around him, trying to protect her baby. She was flying around so wildly that she nearly threw herself at him. All of the other companions looked at the mother bird in astonishment. When our beloved Prophet ﷺ saw this, he said, "Who has hurt this little bird? Please put him back in his place." He continued saying, "All of you are surprised that this mother bird threw herself into your hands just for you to release her baby. Believe me, Allah has so much more love for you than this bird has for her little one." With these words, everyone looked at each other, thinking about how Allah, the Almighty, has such love for each one of them. This made everyone happy and at peace.